Here question is the most common orbital tumor in children, that is rhabdomyosarcoma. Most common malignant intraocular tumor in adult is lymphoma. Most common tumor to extend from intracranial to orbit is spinal wing meningioma. The most common primary cause of intraocular tumor in children is retinoblastoma. Most common orbital tumor, hemangioma. Most common orbital tumor has its origin from blood cell. Most common carcinoma of conjunctiva is squamous cell carcinoma. Lead in the cases of lead is basal cell carcinoma, but in cases is in conjunctiva is squamous cell carcinoma. Retinoblastoma can occur bilateral in how many percentage of the cases? 25 to 30%. Knudson's two-stage hypothesis is for retinoblastoma. Children with germline retinoblastoma are more likely to develop other primary malignancy in their later lifetime course. Which of the following malignancy can occur in such patients? Osteosarcoma of lower limbs. Retinoblastoma show all of the following except small round cells, necrosis, pseudorosity, and florets. All are seen in cases of retinoblastoma. So the answer is none. Intraocular calcification of eye in child is in the cases of retinoblastoma. Most common presenting feature of retinoblastoma is white reflex or leukocoria. Increased LDH in aqueous humor suggests a diagnosis of retinoblastoma. The most common mode of spread of retinoblastoma is optic nerve. Most common site of bony metastasis in retinoblastoma is skull bones. A 1 year old child having leukocoria was detected to be having a unilateral large retinoblastoma filling half of the globe. Current therapy would be involved in enucleation. Most common chemotherapeutic agents combination used for treatment of retinoblastoma is vincristine, carboplastin, and etoposide. Ideal treatment of bilateral retinoblastoma is radiation. In retinoblastoma, after enucleation, which tissue is sanctioned to find out systemic metastasis? Optic nerve. Treatment of metastatic disease in retinoblastoma is chemotherapy. As 5-year-old boy presented with leukocoria in right eyeball, diagnosed to be retinoblastoma involving full eyeball, while other eye had 2 to 3 small lesions in the periphery. What will be the ideal management for this patient? Enucleation of the right eye and focal therapy of other eye. Most common site of distant metastasis in intraocular malignant melanoma is liver. Cortex vein invasion is commonly seen in malignant melanomas. Most common type of optic nerve glioma is pilocytic. Optic glioma associated with neurofibromatosis. All these are the some MCQs regarding these intraocular tumors. So, best of luck for all of you for coming preparation or examinations. Okay, guys. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay. Any problem regarding this session? Hello. So next topic we will discuss later. Okay. Bye. हैं?